Hi everyone, this is Friday's spelling test. Whether you do it this Friday the 14th or next Friday the 21st, because we've got those two sounds happening, that's fine. Just put the date on the top please and get ready for your words. Genesis group, I still expect you to do the first 6 words. You give that your best shot. If you want to do the others, you're welcome to do the others as well. All right, so 10 words today. Ready? The first word is red is my favorite color. The word is red. Remembering we are concentrating on the graph, one letter making one sound, E, but it makes the sound of E, as in red. Number 2, it's lovely to go to bed at night. Bed. If you can spell red, you can spell bed. Number 3, we went to the movies last year. It's been a long time. Went. So sound that out in your mind. Went. Number 4, the bird was sitting in her nest. Right, nest. Number 5, please try your best. Right, best. I know you all got that one. Best. Number 6, I sent you to the office at lunchtime. Sent. 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 This is a funny one. Number 7, write the word 7. Okay, next to the number 7, write 7 because the E in 7, the first E says E. 7. Number 8, my glass is empty. Empty. Number 9 is a long one. It's the day of the week that has the E sound in it. And that would be Wednesday. Wednesday. It's a long word, Wednesday. And the last word is the number 1 written in words. Like you wrote the number 7 in words, now you write the number 1 in words. So let me go through them again for you. Red, bed, went, nest, best, sent, 7, empty, Wednesday, and 1. Look over it again. Is there anything that you would like to change? You do that now. We don't rub out, just put a cross through it and then write it again if you think you need to do that. And then upload. Thanks everyone.